Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thinkorswim for day trading. Open Thinkorswim, create a paper trading account, and customize your watch list immediately. Start by setting up a clean workspace with your favorite chart styles, timeframes, and studies. Link your charts to a single symbol for quick navigation and save the layout so you can return to the same setup each day with confidence and speed. Focus your charts on speed and clarity so you can make fast decisions without clutter. Use 1-minute and 5-minute charts for entries and exits, plus volume, VWAP, and a 20 EMA to confirm momentum. Color code your moving averages and keep only essential indicators to avoid analysis paralysis. Practice switching timeframes and testing entries in paper trading until your eye and strategy sync up smoothly. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps water cold and fits cup holders, perfect for marathon trading days when focus matters. It's a simple gadget that keeps you sipping so you don't miss a move. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Mastering orders and risk management will keep small mistakes from becoming big losses. Favor limit orders to control your fills and always set stop losses sized to a dollar amount or percent you are comfortable with. Use OCO or bracket orders to automate exits and protect profits. Track trade history in the Monitor tab and review mistakes after each session to refine your plan and discipline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.